Whoever wins,
Hey, Blue Thunder, you want to play King of the Hill?
yeah. You ready?
Ready, steady, I'll be the king of this hill. I am the king of this sawdust. Well, that was bumpy. Hello, friends. Welcome to today's video. So, what are we gonna make with all this sawdust?
A hill for King of the Hill.
A hill for King of the Hill. Axel, did you know that ever since you were very young, like 3 years old, I would play King of the Hill with him on piles of gravel or dirt that we would find when we were out adventuring. And it is one of your favorite games. Every time he sees a pile of dirt, he's like, let's play King of the Hill. And I think that's because you have really, really fond memories of us playing that when you
really big hill.
You were like 3 years old when I first played King of the Hill with you. You know what, Bubba? I let you win. Did you know that? When you were 3?
Of course you did.
I had to let him win. It wasn't quite fair. It's still not fair, but now I do things like get on my knees like this and have my hands behind my back so that it kind of makes it more fair. Now that he's almost 10 years old, oh my goodness. So that makes it a little more fair. All right, so we got our trucks here. We're gonna play Monster Truck King of the Hill. We're gonna play Axel and Daddy King of the Hill. And we're gonna use our trucks to scoop this sawdust here. And Axel's driving a tractor because he's almost 10 years old. Boomerang, but that's not a boomerang, so. All right, well, let's get this tractor loaded up and let's go dump this sawdust in a pile over here. We're using the sawdust for our garden as mulch. Yep, we got it free from our neighbor. That was good. All right, we're gonna make this pile even bigger. Let's get to work. All right, Axel, so we scooped up as much as we can here, and now we need to push the rest of the sawdust into the bucket. Do I hear somebody screaming? Somebody's screaming over there. I think it's a certain little sister named River. Maybe she'll help us. All right, let's fill that bucket up. That thing is perfect for this.
Yeah.
That giant bucket there is just perfect. Nice work. Good work there, Tonka. Great work. It's like a dozer front loader. We've used that thing for a lot of stuff. That's a tough truck right there. Dude, nice work, bro. So we just figured out, we just figured out that Axel can reach the pedals on the tractor now. So, I'm gonna watch him and I'm gonna let him see if he can drive the tractor by himself all the way around to there. He has never driven this tractor by himself. Never ever drive or use a piece of equipment unless an adult says it's okay. This is a very special situation. All right, you buckled in?
Yep.
Okay. All right, let's see if you can do it. He's driving it. Wow. Oh man. man.
I'm leaning back. Wait, maybe you can sit on with me and I can drive.
Yeah. Okay. All right, I think I'm gonna have to sit on there. There's a special disconnect. When the seat leans forward too much, it disconnects the electricity and it shuts the tractor off. It's a safety mechanism. It's meant to see where it is. You see where it is? Oh, here it is right here. See those wires right there?
Yeah.
It's that button right there. See that? Just like that. Whenever the seat lifts up, pop, the tractor shuts off. That's in case if you fell off the tractor, you wouldn't want this tractor to keep going. Because like, say you fell off and you got up underneath that brush hog, right? That'd be bad. So as soon as you get off this tractor, boom, it shuts off.
So just like...
So you don't get run over.
Oh,
Yep,
good thing it
you
turned
fell off. Good thing it turned off or that wheel run over you, right? Tractor shuts off immediately. Pretty good idea. So I'm gonna let Axel drive, but I'm gonna have to sit down. Oh, nice jump. All right, let's get this sawdust unloaded. So we got the trailer all the way over here now. Closer to the pile there. There you go. Nice work. We're gonna see how quick we can do the whole thing, okay? Whoa, Blue Thunder, check this out, man. Wow, look at this giant hill of sawdust.
I can't even get up it.
How did this even get here?
I don't know.
Axel can't even get up it. It's a good thing I have off-road tires here. Come on, Axel. Oh, you made it. Hey, Blue Thunder. Want to play King of the Hill?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Ready?
I didn't shock you.
Hey, Blue Thunder. I'm digging your grave. Ha 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 ha. Get in there. Ha ha ha.
I'll shock you.
Oh, he got me. That was fun. You want a rematch?
Yeah.
Come on.
Whoever wins, 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3. Whoever wins.
Ha ha ha! I am the king of this sawdust. I get all the sawdust I want.
Whoever wins.
2
this
out of
round
3.
wins.
Okay.
You ready?
Ready, steady, and whoa! Tricked me! Ha ha! That was awesome. Hey, that looks like Gravedigger and Blue Thunder. What are they doing? Whoa, Blue Thunder! Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, there's a big mound of sawdust over there. Y'all should play King of the Hill. Me and Blue Thunder just did. It was awesome.
Yeah. You have
Oh,
fun.
okay, let's do it. Come on. You ready, Hot Wheels? You think you can
look,
take
you just did
me?
it backwards.
Let's see.
Wait.
Oh, almost.
Try it again.
Oh, landed on its hind
Wait.
legs. Right with. Oh, nice. Wow. Nope. Look, he landed right on his back.
Wait, watch this.
Nope. All right, flip contest now. Oh. Oh.
Oh.
A little bit cheap.
Watch this.
Let's see. Oh, wow. Hey, Riv, what's up?
What's this?
You want to play King of the Hill with us? Okay. Oh, nice. All right, River. So which one do you want to use? You want to use School Bus?
I knew Gravedigger.
Gravedigger. Okay, you can do you can battle me after I battle Bubba, okay?
And if you want to
Ha ha. Grr, grr, grr. I'll be the king of this hill. Grr.
fire breathing.
Oh, look, he lost but landed on some wheels. Oh, and you landed on wheels too. Dude, that is so cool. All right, River battles me since I lost. Are you ready, River? Okay, here we go. She's a tricky one there. Oh, no! Gravedigger is the king of the hill. Who will defeat me?
Wait, you're a dragon. You're a dragon. Fire wing.
I'm a sawdust troll. Come on.
I'm sawdust.
All right, River, you better get down because Daddy might knock Bubba down on you.
I'm
okay?
a sawdust dragon.
Come on, bring it on. Okay, wait, I gotta get on my knees against my back. Ready? To make it fair, I gotta have my hands up. Hold on, baby, hold on. I'm in the middle of a battle. Hold on, get my arms. Gee, I don't have arms. My arms are not there. Oh man, I lost that one. I'm covered in salt.
Wait, how about whoever wins 2 out of 3?
2 out of 3, okay. The legless, armless man will battle you again.
Versus the
Bring it on.
sawdust dragon.
Bring it on.
Versus sawdust.
One and one.
I meant to let you win, so we have a
Oh,
tie.
okay.
In the extra round.
Yeah.
It's a tie! We both went down!
We both. Oh, we did. Yeah. Okay, we gotta do it again. Get off! Okay, now I have an arm. Let's go! This is cheating. We'll never go anywhere. We'll just sit here all day. I've got teeth, I forgot.
Oh, we both went
No,
down.
you just saw you jump down. Okay, so now it's River and Axel versus me, but I get to use one arm now since it's both them. You ready? Bring it on.
Rule number, no, River. Rule number 1, no tickling.
No tickling. Oh man, that was my secret weapon. Oh, River falling down. Get back up. Oh no, River. Help me. No. You can't throw sawdust. That's cheating. That's cheating. I'm gonna bury you in the sawdust.
Skate.
I'm gonna bury you in the sawdust. There you go. Oh. Yeah. This is how I'll win. I'll bury you. Yeah.
Come on.
No, I versus Axel.
For the final round, Axel versus River. Let's see it. Let's see it. But you can't use your arms. No arms.
See?
Yep. No arms and no legs. On your knees. Okay, well, no arms. Yeah. she's a goner there. Ready? battle. River can use arms, yeah. River, oh, no. Oh, no, Ruby. Get down, get back up. Grab his legs, River, grab his legs. Don't let go.
River has 7 lives.
Grab his legs, don't let go. Get his legs, River, get him. Get his legs, trip him up. Grab his legs, come on. Oh, he's falling down all his own. Get him, River, get him. Oh, he thinks this is a little unfair. Queen of the Hill.
I'll try to do it on my knees.
Okay, all right, there we go. You two are funny. So do you like your sawdust hill? Unfortunately, we're gonna have to get rid of this because we're gonna transplant it to our garden, and maybe we'll do that with trucks, okay? All right, so I think in our next video, we're gonna use our trucks to mulch our garden after we have our plants there. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Ouch. All right, well, remember, we love you. We think you are so awesome. We're so glad you joined us on today's epic adventure. Can they have their own adventures? Maybe in their garden?
No.
Maybe you find a hill, like King or Queen of the Hill, right?
Stop.
Yeah. All right, can you say bye?
Bye because I still saw that.
Okay. All right, can you say bye?
Bye.